Hello, do you want to see the Wi-Fi password that someone input on your computer? Just find out this option which is called your Wi-Fi. Simply you can click on it and then go to this arrow sign and click here and click on I icon. Okay. After clicking here, you will have some options, and from here find out advanced Wi-Fi network properties. Simply click on edit, and then after clicking on edit you will see two options here. On its connection, which is by default selected, but select security and then click on this option which is called show characters, and then see this is the password of my Wi-Fi, or the Wi-Fi that someone given to me. So I hope you have got the solution to find this one, or sometimes you can go to the run, just pressing on Windows R and then type ncpa.cpl, then press enter. After pressing on enter, you will see your Wi-Fi options. Just simply right click on it and click on status. After clicking on status, just go to the wireless properties, the same option that we have shown, and then click on security and show characters. All good. Thank you so much for watching. I think you have got the solution.